Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. I'm currently in the trade on USD JPY. I bought at 110.46 for 9 p.m. Bought 100 contracts at $71.25. Right now the market's at 110.58 right now, so we're good 12 pips above my strike rate, which is good. And 31 minutes left. As you can see, my P&L is looking pretty good, and I have hit over the 50K mark on my demo account, which is pretty solid. Just let you know, I'm using a very good system. Let's take a look at the charts. All right, yes, I got it down here, right here. Let's get a put a line here. As close as I'm pretty much get. I got in right here, and the market has moved to the upside. I was expecting this obviously because all of this. Most definitely, all of this right here, boom, and all of this. Let me know that this is still a very strong uptrend. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm in this market. That's why I'm buying the market. So right now the market's up right now. Still got 30 minutes left on this trade, so I will get back with you guys in just a moment. Missed the trade. I was doing something. I lost track of time. Sorry, guys. I'll show you on the chart what happened though. This candle closed here at 110.58. So by that standard, that's 12 pips above my price or what I was at. So as you can see, the balance has changed to 56,000 now. So things are going well, guys. Things are going well. Things are going well. Alex Jenkins checking out, y'all.